Hey, what's up everybody? Fred McKinnon here with eBusiness Online. We're a full service e-commerce agency. So we'll help manage your entire Amazon channel, your entire Walmart channel, and also do one-on-one consulting and coaching for your e-commerce needs. Today I'm going to be showing you a demo or an actual real live shipment of using the software NemoShip. Now, disclaimer, we don't work for NemoShip. No connection or relationship to NemoShip at all. It's just third-party software that I personally started using on behalf of my own shipments and my client shipments. What NemoShip does is it takes all of the different split shipments that Amazon gives you and helps you to consolidate them into one location. And by doing that, you save a whole lot of money on LTL fees, shipping fees, and possibly you might not be paying the inbound placement fees. I say possibly because no one knows 100% for sure if that's going to work or not, but it's definitely worth rolling the dice to find out. So again, the first thing, there's a couple of other videos where I talk about the Amazon inbound placement fees on this channel. If you haven't seen those already, you definitely want to watch those. It's been a huge thing that's happened in the Amazon world. It happened on March the 1st, 2024. Today's March 23rd. So we're 3 weeks deep into the Amazon inbound placement fee disaster. Look up on the previous videos over the last couple of weeks on this channel. You can see a whole lot more information on that, how to manage it. Now, one of the first and most important things is in your seller account. I use my seller account. It's got my name on it. It's got some things that we sell, some things we don't. Not too worried about that. If it makes me a target, so what? Because it's just kind of an umbrella account where we do a few different things. But inside there, you want to make sure that your settings are accurate. So in Amazon Seller Central, you want to go into your settings and then your FBA, Fulfilled by Amazon settings, and make sure that under inbound settings right here, that you have Amazon optimized shipment splits. That is very important. You have to have that or the NemoShip software won't work. We have a discount code, a referral code for NemoShip. It is EBOSAVE20, EBO for eBusiness Online, SAVE20, 20. Give you 20% off your first month, or maybe 20% off throughout your subscription. That's what we're pushing NemoShip to give our users a good deal like that, but for sure 20% off your first month if you use EBOSAVE20 coupon code during checkout. The software is about 99 bucks a month. So let's take a look at the software. What I'm doing now is I've built a shipment of some oversized items, only 40 units. So it's 2 SKU. I'm sending 20 units of each SKU. Very large oversized units, and typically anytime, even before the Amazon inbound placement fees, anytime I would try to send this very large oversized product, it would, they're actually rifle bags, like 46-inch long rifle cases. And because of that size, even before all this happened, Amazon would always be trying to make us send it all over the country because they don't like to transship oversized items. So I've built a shipment shipping from my warehouse here on St. Simons Island, Georgia, 2 SKU, a black color and a tan color, 20 units of each, so 40 total units. Let's take a look at NemoShip and see what it's done. All right, so we're in NemoShip, and I created the shipment here, as you can see. And what I did, it split it up all sorts of different ways into all these different warehouses. I'm the black here, and the closest one to me is Tampa, TPA3. And when I came to TPA3, I clicked the button, try forcing all here. And what it did is it did do that, but it wasn't able to get the full thing. It actually went more. It did 43 items instead of 40 items. But then it did a second try, and it actually found Savannah, Georgia, which is a closer warehouse. So 100%, 2 SKU, total 40 count. So I can come in here and I can see that on shipment plan 2, had I sent it to Tampa, to TPA3, if I click on that, it shows my bags, and it shows 22 and 21 units. Now, I could adjust that a little bit and get that to be accurate, but I'd much prefer the Savannah one, which has it perfect, 20 black and 20 tan. So I'm going to click on Savannah 3 here and hit next. This is the plan I'm going to try to create. Shipment 1 to Savannah 3, and then I'll hit create shipments. Shipment has been created. And then here it is here, shipment 1, Savannah 3, working. So now what's going to happen is I'm going to click on this and it's going to take me right into my Amazon Seller Central account. From there, I could choose how to move forward. I'll show you what that looks like in one moment here. Okay, so we've clicked on that in Amazon. When we click on that, it comes into this, send to Amazon. Welcome to the new send to Amazon flow. If you can convert this API, you'll no longer yada, yada, yada. That's exactly what it says, exactly what it's expecting you to do. I'm going to click on convert to send to Amazon. I'm going to go through the disclaimer, and then it's going to grind here and it's going to create the shipment for me. Now, here's the thing about this that we love is when it finishes this, as you can see, it's created a shipment, and it's created a shipment to Savannah. And the best part is there's no inbound placement fees. Right? You see it's all there. It's all going to the one destination. So let me go on in here and kind of finish this up. Now, one thing about NemoShip is it sets everything up as individual items, not as master cartons. They're working on it to make that change, but I'm not able to change that here. So I'm going to say pack individual units. And here I can just enter it through a web form that there's going to be let's see, I got to figure this out. There's going to be 8 boxes. Because there's 5 per box. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoops. 5 of those, and then 5 of those. And then I'll populate my box weight and my dimensions. And when I do that, then everything else will be like any other shipment that you've always done before. It'll all be the same. It'll give me my box labels. It'll give me my pallet labels. And nowhere on that screen does it suggest that I'm paying an inbound placement fee. If I had gone through Amazon, send to Amazon, the normal workflow, and done everything that I just did, number one, it was going to split it up all sorts of ways and make me send a box of 5 here, a box of 5 there. That for sure would have happened, okay? It wouldn't have consolidated like that. Number two, it would have told me either to use Amazon splits, which would have been 5 destinations, and these are too big to put on a UPS truck, so 5 different freight pickups, or 3 with placement fees, or 1 location with more placement fees. Right here, it's not charging me any placement fees at all. What I do want to continue to say is just because it's not showing it doesn't mean that Amazon's not going to come around in 45 days and charge them to me anyway. I'm rolling the dice. I'm testing that. But tons of you have been asking about how to use the software. I thought I would make my own video and give you a glimpse of what it looks like. So let me try to wrap this one up here. Okay, I've almost finished up this whole thing, and I was pleasantly surprised that just the fact that I'm doing 8 boxes is cheaper to send UPS than it would be LTL. So I'm just going to come in here and I'm going to say these are going to be ready for Monday. And I've got either $87.60 to ship that up to Savannah by UPS or $115 to ship it by LTL. So I'm going to go the UPS route for sure. And as you see here, there's no mention of any kind of partner splits, Amazon splits, partial splits, minimum shipment. There's no mention anywhere of inbound placement fees. Even down here at the bottom, no prep fees, placement fees, 0. Estimated shipping fees, $87.60. Now again, they may come here 45 days later and go, hey, we noticed you shipped to 1 location and somehow you got out of paying inbound placement fees. And they may hit us with them. If that happens, it happens, you know, but it's 40 units. So the worst that could be, you know, is maybe 15, 20 bucks, something like that. Nevertheless, that's how it works. I'm going to print these labels, stick them on, and set them out for the UPS driver. Earlier, I said these were too big for UPS. Well, not too big. They'll go on the truck. It's just typically it's cheaper to ship these LTL. But I think because Savannah, Georgia is like an hour and 15 minutes away, it actually is cheaper to go parcel. So that's it. Again, hey, if you want to check out this software, NemoShip.com. We got a link to it on my YouTube channel on this video, and use the coupon code EBOSAVE20 to get a discount. As I finish up, if this is helpful to you, I'd be grateful if you subscribe to this channel. We've gained over 100 subscribers in just a few weeks, which is awesome because I just started this channel. It's going to get better. I've got some microphones ordered, things that's going to make the audio better, things like that. But at the end of the day, what matters to me most is that I get this content out to you from the trenches so that it will help other sellers like yourself. If you like that, if you vibe with that, how about hitting the subscribe button and then click the little bell so that you get a notification anytime we're dropping new videos. Also, what really, really helps is you to thumb up and like this video, and I'd really love for you to leave a comment. How you're doing? Let us know how you like the video, when you engage, when you thumbs up, when you leave a comment like that, it kind of tells the YouTube algorithm, hey, people are engaging, they like this content, and you know what that means? YouTube will show it to more people. Helps us a lot. Hey, thanks a lot. If you need any help, reach out, ebusinessonline.com. We got the hyphen in our domain. I'm not happy about that, but it's been that way for years. e-businessonline.com. e-businessonline.com. You can follow me on LinkedIn, Fred McKinnon. Also on Facebook. Love to help you any way we can. You need to chat. You need to get some professional help. Jump on the calendar at ebusinessonline.com. That's e-businessonline.com. Jump on the calendar and book an appointment, and we'll jump in there and help you. You got 20 plus years, over $100 million in revenue on third-party marketplaces, so know a thing or two. Hey, thanks a lot for watching.